Hello and welcome to Naples Motorsports. I'm Mike Irvine and today I'm going to be showing you this 2016 Rolls-Royce Wraith. Now this car has just 1,800 miles on it as it sits right now and is in just like new condition. The Wraith was a different design that they'd come out with, a little bit more aggressive in its styling with the roofline, yet still keeping the traditional chrome front grille in the spirit of Ecstasy, which everybody loves on this car. Now as you come to the side of the car, you're going to notice the roof line's a little bit more swooping, and it does still have the suicide doors, the 21-inch wheels, and if you take a look closely here, the Rolls-Royce will always stay upright as you're driving, and this does have the cameras around as well in the mirrors as well as in the blinker lights underneath. So you get a full 360-degree view when you go to park the car. Now with just 1,800 miles, this car is in very much like new condition. You're not going to find any curb rash on the wheels, any dents or dings anywhere. And this is a true four-seater. Even though it's a two-door car, it is a true four-seater, and you have enough storage space in the trunk that you'd be able to go to take all four sets of golf clubs for you and your friends as well. Now it is power open and close, as you'd expect nothing less out of a Rolls-Royce. As we get to the driver's side here, again, you're going to notice no dents or dings anywhere, no curb rash on the wheels, and just a very, very nice look with the Anthracite Exterior. Another signature thing from Rolls-Royce is the suicide doors. Rolls is the only manufacturer which still has these style of doors on their cars today. The interior is in full beluga. You have heated and ventilated seats, you have the Lambswool Floormats, and you just get a beautiful interior in this car. Now another neat feature is you do have the umbrellas in the doors that say Rolls-Royce on them. They are in a much more convenient location than an Aston Martin's, which are in the trunk. You don't have to get wet when getting out of the car to use them. Another neat feature with this car, I'm going to have a seat in here real quick. They have buttons that you can press that will close both the doors, because you don't want to be inconvenienced with having to reach out at that awkward angle. Now as you look in here, you get a great map setup. It is push button start, but you also have the option to close it and just keep the wood grain across on the dash. You also get a heads-up display as well as a nice display screen here underneath the traditional analog gauges. Now once again, this is a 2016 Rolls-Royce Wraith with just 1,800 miles on it. The original window sticker was $340,000 for this car and can be yours for a fraction of that today. Don't forget to check out our website, naplesmotorsports.com, and please ask for me, Mike Irvine, when you're ready to make your next exotic purchase. Thank you very much for watching this video walk around, and have a great day.